The Enforcement Directorate, in collaboration with Punjab National Bank and ICICI Bank, has begun restitution of properties linked to the Mehul Choksi bank fraud. 2,565.90 crore rupees in assets is being restored to rightful owners following a court order, with further restitution in progress. Amazon India aims to support Viksit Bharat by 2047 through world-class logistics and digitizing small businesses. VP Abhinav Singh emphasized the crucial role of SMBs in job creation and problem solving, highlighting a $120 million fund to invest in startups across India. The Indian stock market closed Tuesday with mixed results. Sensex rose slightly by 1.59 points, while Nifty dropped by 8.95 points. Broader indices saw gains, led by mid-cap and small-cap stocks, but investor sentiment remains cautious ahead of key inflation data. The Indian government is rapidly developing new cities to address urbanization needs, according to Union Minister Manohar Lal. Key projects include 549 MLD water treatment plants and a significant expansion of the metro rail network, showcasing a commitment to modern urban infrastructure. A new report from Motilal Oswal projects the Indian capital market will see a 17 to 45% compound annual growth rate from FY24 to FY27. Key factors driving this growth include demographic trends, digital innovations, and robust economic expansion, positioning various market segments for sustained success. A new report reveals an uptick in Indian deal activity, set to peak in Q1 2025. November recorded 163 transactions worth $10.8 billion, with quick commerce leading. Expect moderate activity in December, but a stronger start is anticipated for January. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari praised Amazon's logistics initiatives aimed at empowering Indian businesses. At the SMBHV Summit, Amazon announced a four-fold increase in exports commitment and $120 million for startups, driving India's goal of becoming a global economic powerhouse. In November, India's mutual fund assets under management reached 68.08 lakh rupees crore, up from 67.25 lakh rupees crore in October. Active equity schemes contributed significantly, and systematic investment plans maintained strong inflows, reflecting a robust investment environment amid market corrections. According to an HSBC report, India is set to become a crucial hub for global oil and gas as it expands refinery and LNG capacities. While global oil prices are expected to remain weak, India benefits significantly from reduced import costs, bolstering its energy transition efforts. In a recent study, Adani Green emerged as the fastest wealth creator with a staggering CAGR of 118% from 2019 to 2024. Meanwhile, Adani Enterprises was named the best all-round wealth creator, highlighting significant growth in India's financial sector. Inflow into systematic investment plans remained stable at 25,320 crore rupees in November, closely mirroring October's figures. The mutual fund industry's assets under management rose to 68.08 lakh rupees crore, reflecting continued investor confidence despite market volatility.